This is Kevin Leffler, Head of Enterprise Sales at LOCOMeX, and this is our platform demo video highlighting the 4 pillars of our AI first strategy.
First, we're going to log in as a project owner. So the project owner gets to see the interactive dashboard. This is the same interaction that you would see for the prime vendor. So you can see for this project, we have this owner, this prime, what's our overall ESG scores, and a lot more ESG style information. I can toggle between my different projects, and if I don't have a prime, it'll tell me I don't have one. To switch to the different roles, you could go to role and choose project owner, supplier, or prime vendor. The supplier has a different style interactive dashboard. So the supplier dashboard interacts with them in regards to letting them know more information about what's going on within the platform, which is different than what the project owner dashboard does, which tells you more information around what's going on with the dashboard or with the projects themselves, right? So here, if I'm looking at it from, if I'm looking at our dashboard from a supplier view, it's telling me what certifications I'm missing, what additional information I could be giving LOCOMeX in order to help them make better matches for them, what are some potential projects available to them, and if anyone has invited them to collaborate on any specific project. Okay, so from here what I'm going to do is I'm going to head into the marketplace as a supplier. So what the system just did was go and pull out all the different projects that this supplier could have access to based on their region, their NICS codes, and the information that we have. And it delivers along with each project that's active within the system that was within their criterias. There's also a win odds rating. So you can see from this particular examples, all of these have a medium rating, which is pretty good. And this one has a high chance rating of winning a bid for this project. And then if you click on the details, it tells you what are the different factors that were used to determine those win odd ratings.
AI Matchmaker with win odds. Finally, a tool that can help diverse suppliers win opportunities, not just bid on them.
You can search and filter by industries, different regions, and then just view the things that you'd like to do. Also here, you can see what type of requests are pending. And from here, you can also add and make a request to the individual project owner.
Team Optimizer is the workhorse behind all of our AI first tools. Think of it as our AI optimization engine.
Okay, so we're going to take a look now as a project owner and run the LOCOMeX Team Optimizer tool, which takes a deep dive into our risk scoring system based on the individual project, which is what is the engine behind the business win odds rate that we were just looking at. So here is the risk scoring for the individual project based on the Team Optimizer, and again, you're looking at the individual 7 factors that are used to determine the scores and giving everybody the opportunity to evaluate the individual suppliers.
Biz Win Rate Optimizer, the AI-powered tool that helps suppliers know what they need to do to win even more deals.
Or the supplier would be evaluating the project to see if there is a good match. And the system is doing this for you through our matchmaking win rate optimizer. So this is just the first level of the reporting. We can also dig into the dived in pre-bid reports. Within our pre-bid reports is when we start introducing ESG into our reporting tools. And right now what it's doing, it's out there looking at all the different suppliers that we have available, all the different criterias and goals around this project, and it's going to give us a point in time analysis on how well we might be able to meet some of these goals, including a potential ESG score. So you can see here's a point in time. Here's all the suppliers that might be a good fit for the project and their resources. Here's some of the estimated cost around the project, some diversity statistics and goals. And again, we're putting in the different risk scorings and what are the different factors around the risk scoring and how are they being weighed against the project, right?
We've built the only project-based ESG scoring tool on the market that delivers AI-first, data-driven recommendations at the project level.
And it gives you a quick snapshot of where you could be based on the suppliers that you're working with. Next, what we'll do is we'll take a look at a deeper dive of what's available in LOCOMeX for ESG reporting. We'll go into our project-based ESG reporting module, and we'll start by clicking on the dashboard. Okay, so here what we're doing is able to see a visual of a more detailed view of the reporting within ESG. And we have further visualizations within the Project ESG module, which allows you to drill in deeper into the individual sections one by one, or it's really dependent on how you want to see it.